新闻头起先，咱来关心到美国总统川普暂停对顶关税的政策90天，呼吁各国赶紧和美国来协商。咱的总统赖清德嘛证实讲，咱伫咧第一时间就送出相关的计划，得到美国政府正面的回应，嘛将咱台湾列入去头一批谈判的名单内底。因过另外一方面，川普甲中国扣的关税累计有到145%，美中关税战升级，互投资人不安，连带这美股、美金又个大落。
美国总统川普突然间宣布暂缓实施部分对顶关税了，办事叫世界各国赶紧甲美国达成协商，包括关税提悬到125%的中国，一个暂缓反制关税措施的欧盟。
What happens with China? We would love to be able to work a deal. They've really taken advantage of our country for a long period of time. They've ripped us off beyond anybody. They decided to hold back. I thought they were very smart. Look, the EU is very smart, but they really have taken advantage of the United States. In a true sense, he's been a friend of mine for a long period of time, and I think that we'll end up working out something that's very good for both countries. I look forward to it.
美国国家经济会议主席哈塞特讲，大概有15个国家送关税协议提案来，其中有一寡国家已经正晚达成协议。不过，伊无愿意讲有多一寡国家，就伫咧市场抑搁伫咧消化川普暂缓部分关税所带来扣产的时间时阵，美国随国宣布对中国商品加扣关税，政策变来变去，国家上美中贸易战升级。加深投资人的不安。美国股市伫拜四个全面下滑，美金也同时行弱。
Markets are reflecting one, some major exhaustion, and two, just what they're hearing in the news, which is somewhat good to hear in the moment you hear it, but long term not adding to actual stability.
原本想要用对美国进口产品扣25%的关税，欧盟伫川普暂缓实施对顶关税了，也暂停反制关税计划90天。欧盟执委会主席冯德莱恩表示，这是互谈判一个机会。不过专家认为，欧盟其实无想过做选择。
Trump is really bullying the European Union because he knows very well that the European Union does not have much of an alternative. And they would like, I will not say crush, but they would like to see a weaker European Union. And the European Union better pays attention.
专家也认为，若川普扣关税，成本就会加伫咧卖出去的价小顶头，美国甚至是全世界消费者拢会受害。面对着这种关税措施，欧洲未来将会对美国真正的意图保持高度的警觉。公司新闻张伟林编写。